Good day, everyone. I'm Manikesh Kumar, accompanied by the fantastic members of Group 10, who are Avinandan Kumar, Kuldeep Koppa, Manikesh Kumar, that's me, Sri Vatsa, and yes, Virji. Together, we are here to enlighten you about health insurance through an informative presentation. Health insurance is a contract between you and your insurance company. You pay a fee regularly, and in return, the insurer helps cover your medical expenses when you are sick or need healthcare services. It reduces your financial burden by paying for doctor visits, treatments, medications, and sometimes hospital stays. And here are some benefits in simple points that are it gives us financial security, which covers medical expenses that reducing what you pay out of the pocket. It gives access to medical care, which affords doctor visits, treatments, and medications. There are many. It gives us peace of mind also, which provides security of unexpected health issues. And here are the how insurance works actually. There are many ways, like as we pay a premium by regularly paying a fee to the insurance company, or get coverage of the insurance by paying for part or most of the cost, or it may be of out of pocket that have some expenses based on your plans on the interest basis. And there are some continued coverage which maintain payments for ongoing insurance benefits. That's all from my side. I will over to my another member.
Hi, I am Shivas. I'm in from Group 10 and I'm going to give a synopsis of types of health insurance plan. The major types of health insurance plans are HMO, PPO, EPO, POS. HMO stands for Health Maintenance Organization. It is a type of plan that generally require member to choose a primary care physician and get referral from PCP to see specialist. PPO, Preferred Provider Organization. It provides a greater degree of flexibility in choosing HMO. EPO, Exclusive Provider Organization. It is a combination of both HMO and PPO, provide a balance of network restrictions and flexibility. The advantage of choosing this plan, it helps you in doing the medical treatment without giving a extra bucks or having a extra burden on yourself. The disadvantage are you have to give a premium every month, and the premium could vary from the age and kind of activity. If you do smoking, the premium could be more. If you are healthy person running exercising, the premium could be less. Consideration when choosing a plan, it should be according to your budget. How much monthly premium you can pay in your worst time also. Suppose the revenue is less of your family, but you and your premium is 6,000 and your family income is 12,000. How can you pay? You should choose a plan wisely while considering the worst of your choice. And the premium should cover all the medical treatment facilities in your city, especially. The key terms and concepts in the health insurance plan are deductibles, premiums, co-payments, co-insurance, out-of-pocket maximum. Deductibles means the amount of money that insured person must pay out of pocket for covered medical expenses before insurance companies start paying. Premiums. They are fixed amount you make to the insurance company to maintain your health insurance coverage. Co-payments. A co-payment is fixed amount you pay for a covered health care service, usually due at the time of service. Co-pay is a form of cost sharing between you and insurance company. Co-insurance. It is percent of cost of a covered healthcare service that you are required to pay after reaching your deductibles. Another form of cost sharing. Out-of-pocket maximum is the maximum amount of money you have to pay for covered service in a policy period before your insurance plan covered 100% of allowed amounts. Why the health insurance matter? The major point is this. It provides access to health providers, prevention of financial burden in case of unexpected medical expenses. It provides legal requirements and penalties for not having insurance. How health insurance works. Uh, first you have to first you have to choose a plan which is according to your needs. There are many kinds of plan there. You can search on the policybazaar.com and their agent could help you in choosing your plans. Uh, it requires you to give a monthly premium every month to the insurance company, so that at the time if you require, the company can helps you to uh, not have the burden on yourself, and the company can pay all your money to the hospital. Uh, the uh, the major part you can search on policybazaar.com as a referral. There are many types of health insurance company. The roles of a health insurance company is to provide the the family which in need to have their treatment by taking their expenses. Is the healthcare provider should also have a binding with that health insurance company, so that there is no any lag between the transaction of money, and policyholders should must pay the premium every month. Otherwise, the company can do anything. Either it can stop premiums. If you have stopped premium, the company can stop the insurance, or it can reject the claim. Somewhat any reason could happen. So you should must continue your premiums. Coverage and benefits. The common medical service covered by the health insurance are majority kind of treatments are covered by the health insurance company. Suppose you have a heart disease, kidney failure, and transplant you need, it all the benefits are covered in the health insurance plan. It varies according to the plan you choose. More important than that, and there is a coverage limitation that you have to choose at the starting of the plan. Suppose the premium is of 10 lakh, then the company will pay till 10 lakh. Above that, all the payment you have to do by your own pockets. The company is not liable to pay that. And thanks that from my side.
Hello, my name is Abhinandan Kumar and my roll number is 1. I'm a member of Group 10. So our topic is health insurance. So now I'm continuing with our topic enrollment and eligibility of health insurance. The first one is open enrollment period. So open enrollment period is a period of time each year when you can sign up for health insurance or change your plan if your plan is provided by an employer. Open enrollment is also provide an opportunity to disenroll if you no longer want the coverage. So second one is qualifying life event. Qualifying life event is a change in life circumstances that allow you to alter an existing health insurance policy and sign up for a new one. There are many types of qualifying event. Like first one is loss of health coverage, change in household, change in residence, and other qualifying life event like change in your income, becoming a US citizen. So third one is a special enrollment period. A special enrollment period is the time frame during which you can sign up for health insurance outside the yearly open enrollment period. So the fourth one is eligibility criteria for government sponsored program. So it varies widely depending on the income level, family size, age, employment status. So the next one is Affordable Care Act. Affordable Care Act, also known as Obamacare, is a comprehensive healthcare reform law in the USA. It aims to make health insurance more affordable and accessible for America. SE has significant impact on health insurance coverage in USA. First one is increased access, essential health benefit, young adult coverage, and subsidies. Choosing the right health insurance policy is very beneficial for us. So here are a few tips to choose best health insurance according to our needs. The first one is accessing personal needs and coverage option. So we have to choose those policies which is suitable for our health. Second one is comparing plan and cost. So we have to compare the plans which is available for us. Third one is understanding network and provider option. Insured or preferred doctor and facilities are covered within the plan. So the fourth one is evaluating an additional benefit and customer services. Considered extra perk such as telemedicine, wellness programs, or and comprehensive support.
Hello, I am Yash Bridge, roll number 17. Now I will be taking over the presentation. First of all, I would like to tell you some tips for managing health insurance. First thing is, when you take a medical insurance, you should keep sure to track all the expenses. Maintain a detailed record of medical expenses, including bills, receipts, and explanations of benefits. This is useful when you want to claim, when you're filling the claim and you want to show your budget to the insurance company. Second tip is that we should understand and maximize your benefits, especially the understand part, as many people tend to forget how much they should be covered, other things. For this, we should understand our insurance plan thoroughly. Know coverage limits, network providers, and preventive care benefits. Use in-network services to maximize coverage and minimize out-of-pocket costs. So that most of the cost is, so you don't have to pay much, and the insurance companies should do its work. Third thing which we should do is utilizing preventive care and wellness programs. We should take advantage of preventive care services. Regular checkups and screenings can catch issues early, which will save our money, and this is useful for both us and the insurance company itself. And it is also good for our health, as the issues which we have caught early on are easy to treat compared to the issues which we learn at the later stages. So I would like to say, most importantly, staying informed and proactive is the most important thing for managing your health insurance. You should always be proactive, not reactive. Next, I would like to share with you some common challenges faced by health insurance and the solutions to them. First is high deductibles and out-of-pocket cost. For this, what we can do is we can create a health savings account if eligible. And also we can make a budget for potential expenses which might be out of our pocket. And also to explore more insurance plans and negotiate costs with healthcare providers whenever possible, so that we will get the least amount of cost for our betterment. Second challenge is limited network options. Before enrolling, review the network providers. Choose plans with broader networks if you need flexibility. And also, we should understand the cost of going out of a network. And when you are in an emergency, seek care first. But then please also work hard to ensure that you need to pay the minimum of the costs, and most of it is paid by the insurance company itself. Or what happens is, most of the time these companies take advantage of your emergency and don't pay you as much as they should. Another challenge is navigating the claims. I mean, it is very hard to define exactly what is a claimable disease or not. So we should first familiarize yourself with the claims process. And next, another thing which you should do, as I already said, to keep detailed record of your expenses. And whenever you want a clarification, reach out to your insurance provider. Don't try to be self-sufficient. Also, if possible, use online portals or app for convenience. And fourth issue is no having no strategies for addressing challenges. What we can do to solve this challenge is regularly review our insurance plan to ensure that we are coming under it. It shouldn't be like of some reason we got out of the plan and we couldn't even learn, didn't even knew about it. See guidance from whenever possible, like the people you know or some insurance broker, even online resources if none of the other is available. And you should try to learn more about the policy and also to question the things which you do not know explicitly or exactly, as ambiguous terms are much more dangerous than we think about. So basically, as I said before, you can solve all of these problems by being proactive and not reactive. You should prepare yourself beforehand for health insurances. As in the scenario of nowadays, the health costs are increasing much highly, and we should be prepared to fight for our insurance if needed. And for that, we should know about our insurance as high as possible. Now, I would like to talk about the future trends in health insurance. First of all, is the technological advancements in healthcare and insurance, especially in healthcare, as made it much easy to learn about any disease which we might be having with the help of artificial intelligence or Internet of Things used in wearable things like health bands and other things. This has also helped the insurers to assess our risk easily and give us more accurate pricing and enhance preventive care, which as I was telling you, it makes us more reactive than what was possible for the in the older times. Uh, Another new future trend that might be possible, and it's seen sometimes, is telemedicine and virtual care. So it refers to having remote consultations or online consultations and digital health monitoring. In the as in present, it is not that much advanced, and it can be wrong about some things. But in the future, it might be possible that you don't even need to go to a doctor physically. Just your reports are doing your work. What it can do is it can increase our accessibility to healthcare and reduce the travel costs and other thing, and it might make it so that health insurance is available for everyone. And what might happen is insurance plan may also decide to adapt to the online scenario instead of opting for the offline doctors. This is in future, not our present time. Okay. Third future trend I would like to point out is the potential policy changes caused because of the technological advancements and their impact. So, for example, the coverage mandates or subsidies can change, regulations might change, or so adapting to these potential policy changes is much more important than it might seem, as healthcare is also becoming more and more costly. So what we should do is we should stay informed about all these trends and make our health insurance accordingly only.